हेलो एवरीबॉडी एंड वेलकम टू गो हैश गुलबर्गा। यूनाइटेड हॉस्पिटल गुलबर्गा शहर का काफ़ी मशहूर हॉस्पिटल है जो कि इमरजेंसी और ट्रॉमा केयर के लिए जाना जाता है। इस बार डॉक्टर विक्रम सिद्धा रेड्डी मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर यूनाइटेड हॉस्पिटल ने दिवाली के मौके पर उन्होंने अपने हॉस्पिटल के अंदर एक पूजा भी रखी और कई सारे लोगों को यहाँ पर इन्वाइट भी किया। कई सारे लोग आए और इस इवेंट को अटेंड भी किया। डॉक्टर विक्रम सिद्धा रेड्डी ने गो हैश को बताया कि किस तरह से पिछली बार की कोविड-19 को चलते हुए दिवाली और रमज़ान उस तरीके से ना हो पाया जिस तरह से लोग चाहते थे, लेकिन इस बार के केसेस कम होने की वजह से इस बार सेलिब्रेशन काफ़ी अच्छे तरीके से हुआ है और लोगों का जो पार्टिसिपेशन है वैक्सीनेशन के लिए उसने काफ़ी बड़ी हेल्प की है इस बीमारी को फाइट करने की। इसके अलावा कई सारी इंपॉर्टेंट बातों पर डॉक्टर विक्रम सिद्धा रेड्डी ने बताया और किस तरह से हेल्थ स्ट्रक्चर और उनके हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट और उनका एंटायर स्टाफ और टीम इस कोविड-19 के पैंडेमिक में फाइट कर रही है, उस पर भी बात की और उन सबको भी दिवाली की मुबारकबाद दी। दिवाली आ चुकी है सर, पिछले 2 बार से जो कोविड-19 के साथ दिवाली थी, बस इट्स नाउ फीलिंग लाइक अबाउट बिट मोर रिलैक्स दिवाली दिस टाइम। सो हाउस योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एंड आने वाले वक्त में व्हाट डू यू थिंक सर, कैसा होने वाला है?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तमाम आपके सारे व्यूअर्स को दिवाली फेस्टिवल की बहुत बहुत हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। एंड एज राइटली सेड, लास्ट ईयर वी couldn't celebrate any festival, we couldn't celebrate Ramzan, we couldn't celebrate Deepavali. So last year was a very stressful, and many of the families suffered because of the COVID-19 pandemic. And thankfully that this year it's a bit relaxed as compared to last year. And at this point of time, we all have to appreciate efforts of government as well as participation of the public in vaccination drive. And this vaccination drive has given some reprieve, and the credit has to be given for the decrease in the COVID-19 infection rate owing to the large public participation by and large, and all social workers, all religious leaders promoting vaccination is a commendable thing. And we all should again complete this drive. Number one. Number two, yes, this Deepavali is comparatively it's a better place than last year, and I do believe that in the coming year we will have a robust Ramzan and robust Deepavali and robust all other festivals, and public will participate with all the fanfare, and we do believe and we do pray to God that this should be truly possible in the coming year. For that, we all still have to not let our guards down, follow the COVID appropriate behavior as far as possible.
A small word to your entire management and your entire team of United Hospital, both in Gulbarga and Bangalore. Bangalore also you have started up.
Yes.
A small message for motivation to them.
Yes. Firstly, I as somebody who form a part of the management of United Hospital, I am very grateful, immensely proud of my staff, of my colleagues, of my medical professionals, of my paramedical professionals, everybody who did their bit, who did their huge contribution in the management of the pandemic on the front line. So, and whatever best was possible, whatever God bestowed us the capabilities, with those capabilities we went ahead and did our bit on whatever best possible we could do, we have done. And having said that, we reiterate this commitment to the public towards the healthcare services, and pandemic or no pandemic, United Hospital will always stand with the public in their need of healthcare services at any point of time. So a big heartfelt gratitude to all my colleagues, staff, paramedical staff, Group C, Group D, everyone associated with the hospital, and also to the press and media friends, to the police personals, to social workers, to NGOs who did their best to mitigate the ill effects of the pandemic. I would like to also recall that I have learned from people as young as 19 years old in the pandemic, they doing charity, they doing distributing food packets, and without expectation of any recognition, without expectation of any reciprocation, nothing. So it is the general public who did their bit, and whatever the ill effects of the pandemic were there, one main plus point we would and carry forward is it binded us all together, it united us all together, different cross section of society, different professions, different religions, different walks of life. It united each one of us, and we should carry this lesson forward to build a more productive, more healthy, more lovable, more loving society than it is today. So we should all learn from this pandemic, and we should try and build very beautiful mutually appreciation, mutually supportive society. So this is my take home from this pandemic, and once again I thank all my colleagues, friends, everybody. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for watching Go Hash. Like, share and subscribe our channel.